Three charts you must avoid in your presentation. Chart number one, the rainbow chart. What is a rainbow chart? A rainbow chart is in a bar chart or any type of chart when we use many colors. Let's say it's not only confusing for the viewer, but also it's kind of a messy. What I would suggest you is use not more than 7 colors. 7 colors only when you are showing continents or days of the week. Instead of using a rainbow chart, you can go for a bar chart with diverging colors, something like this. Second chart to avoid is the pie charts. Pie charts are very famous chart, but in the Western world, people actually make fun of pie charts, especially the data scientists and the data analysts. Instead of using a pie chart, you might want to use a bar chart, which can show you a trend. In the bar chart, you can also add same colors or maybe add an analysis line, something like this. Third type of chart which you would like to avoid is the multiple line chart. You would never want to have something in a dashboard or in a presentation where you have multiple lines, multiple colorful lines of different categories, year, quarterly or monthly. Instead of this, I would highly suggest you to use something like this, a dashboard which has a combination of bar chart and line chart. I know this one still looks messy, so let's give it a little touch. Here, voila, this looks perfect, and if we add some filters and click and analyze, this looks fantastic to a presenter, isn't it? Thank you so much for viewing my video. Want to watch more? Why don't you subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video? Thank you so much.